You can be surrounded by people and still feel completely alone. Messages come in, rooms are full, conversations keep moving, but somehow you don't feel seen. Not because something is wrong with you, but because being around people is not the same as being connected. Real loneliness isn't about being by yourself. It's about feeling invisible while you're with others. You laugh at the right moments, you say the expected things, but the real you stays hidden because you're not sure anyone wants to meet that version. And over time, that distance grows quietly. Connection doesn't come from attention, it comes from being understood. And the moment you stop performing is the moment real closeness finally begins.